Hello and welcome to Book Buzz Reviews and Summaries. Today, we're exploring a life-changing book that speaks directly to all the incredible moms out there, The Postnatal Depletion Cure, a complete guide to rebuilding your health and reclaiming your energy for mothers of newborns, toddlers, and young children by Serrallach. Motherhood is a beautiful journey, but let's be real, it can also leave you feeling utterly exhausted and depleted. Dr. Serrallach, a pioneering expert in postnatal health, addresses the often overlooked issue of postnatal depletion with compassion and expertise. This book is your essential guide to restoring your vitality, balancing your hormones, and reclaiming your energy. If you're ready to feel like yourself again and thrive in your role as a mother, stick around. Let's dive into the transformative insights and practical advice that will help you rebuild your health and embrace motherhood with renewed strength and joy. Part 1. Understanding Postnatal Depletion. 1. Defining postnatal depletion. Dr. Serrallach introduces the concept of postnatal depletion, distinguishing it from postpartum depression. He defines postnatal depletion as a multifaceted condition characterized by physical fatigue, emotional strain, and cognitive fog, often persisting for years after childbirth. The author emphasizes the importance of recognizing postnatal depletion as a legitimate health issue that requires attention and care. 2. Causes and contributors. The book identifies various factors contributing to postnatal depletion, including hormonal changes, nutritional deficiencies, sleep deprivation, and the physical demands of motherhood. Dr. Serrallach provides an in-depth analysis of how pregnancy and childbirth affect a woman's body and mind, leading to prolonged depletion if not properly addressed. He also explores the impact of societal expectations and the lack of support systems on a mother's well-being. 3. Symptoms and diagnosis. Dr. Serrallach outlines the common symptoms of postnatal depletion, such as chronic fatigue, anxiety, mood swings, and memory issues. He provides detailed guidance on how to differentiate between postnatal depletion and other conditions like postpartum depression and thyroid disorders. The book includes self-assessment tools and questionnaires to help mothers and healthcare providers diagnose postnatal depletion accurately. Part 2. Rebuilding health. 1. Nutritional replenishment. Nutrition plays a crucial role in recovering from postnatal depletion. Dr. Serrallach emphasizes the importance of a nutrient-dense diet to replenish depleted stores and support overall health. He provides practical dietary recommendations, including specific foods rich in essential vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. The book also includes sample meal plans and recipes tailored to the needs of postnatal mothers. 2. Supplementation. In addition to dietary changes, Dr. Serrallach discusses the role of supplements in addressing nutritional deficiencies. He offers guidance on selecting high-quality supplements and highlights key nutrients such as vitamin D, B vitamins, and magnesium. The author also addresses the importance of personalized supplementation plans based on individual needs and lab test results. 3. Restorative sleep. Sleep is critical for recovery, yet many new mothers struggle with sleep deprivation. Dr. Serrallach explores strategies to improve sleep quality and duration, despite the challenges of caring for a newborn. He discusses the importance of establishing a sleep-friendly environment, creating a bedtime routine, and utilizing relaxation techniques. The book also offers practical tips for managing nighttime feedings and naps to optimize rest. Part 3. Reclaiming energy. 1. Physical activity. Exercise is an essential component of postnatal recovery, but it must be approached with care. Dr. Serrallach provides guidelines for safe and effective postpartum exercise, emphasizing the importance of gentle, restorative activities like yoga, walking, and pelvic floor exercises. He also addresses the benefits of regular physical activity for mental health and energy levels. 2. Stress management. Chronic stress can exacerbate postnatal depletion. Dr. Serrallach offers a variety of stress management techniques, including mindfulness, meditation, and breathing exercises. He encourages mothers to prioritize self-care and set realistic expectations to reduce stress. The book also discusses the importance of social support and the role of partners, family, and friends in alleviating the burden of stress. 3. Emotional well-being. Emotional health is a critical aspect of recovering from postnatal depletion. Dr. Serrallach explores the psychological challenges that new mothers face and provides strategies for building emotional resilience. He emphasizes the importance of self-compassion, seeking professional help when needed, and engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. The book includes practical exercises for improving emotional well-being, such as journaling and gratitude practices. Part 4. Holistic approaches. 1. Integrative therapies. Dr. Serrallach advocates for a holistic approach to postnatal recovery, incorporating integrative therapies such as acupuncture, massage, and herbal medicine. He provides an overview of the benefits of these therapies and offers guidance on finding qualified practitioners. The book also discusses the use of essential oils and homeopathy as complementary treatments. 2. Mind-body connection. The mind-body connection is a central theme in the book. Dr. Serrallach explains how mental and emotional states can impact physical health and vice versa. He introduces techniques for enhancing the mind-body connection, including visualization, body scans, and progressive muscle relaxation. The author also discusses the importance of addressing underlying emotional issues and trauma that may contribute to postnatal depletion. 3. Environmental factors. Environmental factors can influence postnatal health. Dr. Serrallach highlights the importance of creating a healthy living environment, free from toxins and pollutants. He provides practical tips for reducing exposure to harmful chemicals in household products, food, and personal care items. The book also emphasizes the benefits of spending time in nature and incorporating natural elements into the home. Part 5. Practical applications. 1. Creating a postnatal care plan. Dr. Serrallach guides readers through the process of creating a personalized postnatal care plan. He emphasizes the importance of setting realistic goals, tracking progress, and making adjustments as needed. The book includes templates and worksheets to help mothers develop and implement their care plans effectively. 2. Building a support network. A strong support network is essential for postnatal recovery. Dr. Serrallach provides advice on how to build and maintain a supportive community of family, friends, and healthcare providers. He discusses the benefits of joining support groups and seeking professional counseling. The author also highlights the importance of open communication with partners and setting boundaries to ensure adequate support. Conclusion. The Postnatal Depletion Cure, by Dr. Oscar Serrallach, is an invaluable resource for mothers seeking to rebuild their health and reclaim their energy after childbirth. The book's comprehensive and holistic approach addresses the physical, emotional, and psychological aspects of postnatal recovery. Dr. Serrallach's expertise and compassionate guidance empower mothers to take charge of their health and well-being, providing practical tools and strategies for achieving lasting recovery. Key takeaways. 1. Recognition of postnatal depletion. Understanding and acknowledging postnatal depletion is crucial for effective recovery. 2. Nutritional replenishment. A nutrient-dense diet and targeted supplementation are essential for addressing nutritional deficiencies. 3. Restorative practices. Quality sleep, gentle physical activity, and stress management techniques are vital for restoring energy. 4. Holistic approach. Integrating mind-body practices and environmental considerations enhances overall health. 5. Support systems. Building a strong support network and creating a personalized care plan are key to long-term recovery. Final thoughts. Dr. Serrallach's The Postnatal Depletion Cure offers a compassionate and evidence-based approach to postnatal care, providing mothers with the knowledge and tools they need to overcome depletion and thrive. The book's emphasis on holistic health, personalized care, and practical applications makes it a valuable guide for new mothers and healthcare professionals alike. By addressing the multifaceted nature of postnatal depletion and offering actionable solutions, Dr. Serrallach empowers mothers to reclaim their health and energy, ultimately enhancing their ability to care for themselves and their families.